Hi, in this video, I want to share with you a way you can acquire highly demanded skills and show you how you can earn money from the comfort of your home anywhere in the world. Yes, even if you are in the Caribbean like myself. Stick around. Are you a mom like me interested in making money online from home in a way that fits your schedule and allows you to be the boss of your life? On this channel, we share mindset motivation and money-making ideas and info. Now, I am not a guru, but I am a woman on a journey towards financial freedom. So if you are on that journey too, press the subscribe button. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money with free Google certifications. In this video, we're going to talk about what are Google certifications, how do they work, how to make money with them, and I have a free bonus tip for you. So stick with me to the end to find out a little bit more how you can make further money with Google. So let's start. What are Google certifications? They are very reputable certifications because they are being offered by Google. And who does not know Google? Every country in the world knows about Google. But one of the best things about this certification is the fact that it's being offered online and they are free courses of very marketable or in-demand skills at the moment, especially in this time where almost every business is seeking to ramp up its digital presence or digital platform. Therefore, Google certifications become even more in play at the moment. How do we get these certifications? Quite simple. You can just go to Google and type Google Skills Shop. You will get the Google Skills Shop link. Once you click on it, it should take you to the Google Skills Shop page, and from there you can see it's basically a page with lots of different Google tools that you can learn for free. You click on Get Started and it takes you to the page with all the different topics that you can learn. There's Google Ads, there's Google for Education, Google My Business. For those that like analytics, there's the Analytics Academy, as well as YouTube. And yes, all of these different topics and platforms have their individual certifications and training, and they are all for free. And it does not matter what country you're in, they are being offered for free. So if you're in the Caribbean like myself and you like this type of thing, this can be a very viable option for you. But today we're going to focus on Google Ads specifically, and I will show you how you can use this free certification of Google Ads to make money. So let's take a hop over to Fiverr, which is a very well-known freelancing platform. And if we type in Google Ads Manager and you search for that, you will see tons of freelancers offering Google Ads management or being Google Ads specialists. Now, Google Ads is their advertising platform or advertising tool. And again, like I said, now that many businesses are seeking to go online, they're also using the online reach of Google to advertise their goods and their services. And what if you knew how to run, create, manage, and optimize Google Ads? Let's take a look at how much these people are charging for this thing. You can see people are charging as much as $200, $400. $55, even $30. And let's look out this person who's charging $30 has 103 reviews thus far at a 4.9 rating. That's excellent. Or this person who is charging $265, starting at $265 US, might I add, has a 5.0 star rating and has had 44 reviews already. So even at $265, she is getting clients. Even this other person who's starting at 400 US is also getting clients at that price. So again, if you live in the Caribbean like me, where the exchange rate of your currency to the US dollar is very healthy, that can translate into quite a bit of money just from one client. And imagine you can learn the skills that these people are offering and be certified to offer the same service that they are offering for free. Let's take a look at this person in particular, the one who's offering starting at $265 US. She is saying she will set up and manage, optimize Google Ads, etc. Her basic package starts at $265 US. And as you can see from her ad, she will completely manage your Google Ads. She's fully Google Ads certified, and we've already seen that that's free. You can become Google Ads certified for free. And her premium package here on Fiverr is $450 US per client. So that's a good bit of money just from one client alone. And even more exciting is the fact that she even has orders in the queue. There are people lined up waiting to pay this amount of money for these services. Now you might be saying, oh, this is just Fiverr. Let's take a look at Upwork, which is another well-known, very reputable freelancing website. And again, if you search for Google Ads managers or Google Ads specialists, you will see there are a few people, so the competition is even less on Upwork, who are offering this very said service. And they are charging $75 an hour. This person is $55 an hour, $150 an hour for this service that you can learn for free and be certified to do so for free. Are you getting where I'm going with this, people? I hope so. So if I were you, and I am you, I am going to head over to Google Skills Shop, sign up, and get started and become certified and start offering my services on Fiverr and on Upwork and earn some money in my spare time. And for some of you, this can actually become your full-time job or income. If you're not working at the moment, but you're looking for something that you can do from home, this is a very good option for you as a skill that you can use and earn money from home for free. Yes. So I don't think I need to point out the pros of this, but as I'm going to do it. So you can own your very own business, your own freelancing business with a lucrative side hustle and in-demand high skill that you have acquired for free. I will keep saying that word, for free, because there is no cost. Don't believe me? Check it out yourself. There is no cost. What are the downsides? Because with everything in life, there's the good and the bad. So the bad is the training is high-level training. So once you can grasp those concepts and everything, you're good to go. And you can always delve into it deeper if it becomes truly an interest to you. This certification does not replace that of a degree, so it is not a degree. It's a certificate for a specific skill offered by a specific company. So do not think this is a degree, because it's not. And with everything, it requires practice. The more you do it, the better you become at it. You can't just sit in a class, watch it, and become a guru. I wish it works like that, and maybe for some unicorns it may work like that, but for the majority of us, it requires practice. So if you've gotten this far in my video, I would like to humbly ask that you leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe so you can get more wonderful tips like I'm sharing with you. But I did promise to give you a bonus tip of how you can further use Google certifications to make money, and I'm about to share that with you. So if you remembered, there was something on the Google Skills Shop dashboard called Google My Business. Google My Business is a way of optimizing your online presence to make you more visible, especially in local searches, etc. So if you're a hairdresser or a barber and you put your business on Google My Business, it makes you easier to find in Google search by anyone who might type, let's say, hairdressers in my neighborhood, or hairdressers in Port of Spain, or hairdressers in Barbados. Then your service comes up on the Google page because you've optimized your Google My Business bio and profile. And that is a certification being offered as well in the Google Skills Shop for free. Google My Business is growing. It is even getting even more in demand than the Google Ads. So it is another good one to look after. But as you can see in Fiverr, there are people offering Google My Business as a Fiverr gig service. So this is something that you can also look into as well as an additional way to make money with free Google certifications. To review it. So we've come to the end of my video, and I'm so happy you stayed, and I hope that you found something of value in my entire presentation. And if you have, please leave a like, leave me a comment. New to this, I'm starting, to get my feet wet, so I'm not the best at the moment, but again, like I mentioned earlier, with everything, practice makes perfect. So thank you for staying, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.